So we have 45 minutes to arrive in Madeira. The night was very cold inside in the boat, but there's just few people, so it was quite quiet. And let's see how the water looks so far. Nothing really special, but let's see what Madeira will offer. I will show you now the beautiful boat. We are in Funchal now. It's 9:30. I don't have my documents, but happens. So we're ready to roll Madeira. Second day in Madeira. We are here in our place. It's quite cute. Motorcycle here, we're just preparing now. The forecast not so good, but we are in the mountains, so I guess if we go down to the coast and then to the south, then it's gonna be alright. So Ducati is ready, and let's see what the second day in Madeira, what this island will prepare for us. It's very rainy, foggy, but it's beautiful anyway. We are in Madeira, which is Portugal, and you have to drive pastelana. And then we have this traditional Madeira thing. I don't know what it is, but and 80 cents espresso. Beautiful.